Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirisha, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. It is pleasure to welcome you to our Faculty Research Expertise Showcase. One of the greatest strengths of our department is our distinguished faculty who bring rich academic and research experience from reputed institutions in India and abroad. Through this initiative, we hope to introduce their diverse research expertise, inspire curiosity and encourage students and aspiring researchers to begin their research journey with us. Now let's hear from our faculty members as they share their research interests and areas of expertise.
I work in the area of fiber-reinforced composite structures, specifically for the applications in aerospace. We identify the aircraft engine components where we can replace the metal components with fiber-reinforced composite structures, and we study on the mechanical behavior of those structures.
Where academic teaching meets with industrial practice. With extensive industrial experience, I teach core mechanical engineering subjects such as strength of materials, engineering mechanics, and finite element analysis with a strong relevance to industrial applications. I also conduct industrial visits, guest lectures, and workshops to strengthen the industry-academia interaction. So my focus areas include design of analysis of mechanical component, finite element analysis, green hydrogen storage and transportation systems, and digital twin applications.
Our research mostly focuses on advanced modeling and analysis of functionally graded structures, porous structures, and sandwich composite plates for mostly aerospace and high performance temperature applications.
We have two dedicated materials lab. One is focused on material synthesis and another is focused on material characterization. In our materials lab, the student gets hands-on experience in material characterization tools and equipments, and they are ready for taking careers in the research as well as industry.
I am working in the area of 3D printing and bioprinting, where I work on PCB engineering especially, and I am making the biomedical devices like a scaffold. And this bioprinting has so much scope. It is a next generation technology where we can make the body part, that is biomedical implants we can make. And apart from this, I am working on to develop the low cost advanced manufacturing machines like micro machining setups, micro EDM, micro ECM.
Our research group is working on the laser-based manufacturing like laser beam welding, cladding, coating, and the metal 3D printing. Our department is equipped with the high-end equipment like wire cut EDM machine, 5-axis vertical CNC machining center, and the metal 3D printer. And by using that one, we can do the cladding, coating, and the welding process also.
We are working on high temperature materials. These materials are generally used for aerospace applications and nuclear applications. These are materials, especially we are developing new high entropy alloys. That is my to the point research area, and these alloys will be applied in high temperature applications such as in aerospace nozzles and in turbine blades and also in the walls of the nuclear reactor.
My area of expertise is working on developing cooling systems for electronic components. We also work on thermal management of batteries. Basically, my expertise in thermofluidics. Thank you.
We have research expertise in the area of transport in porous media and phase change cooling systems and thermal management of batteries. We train a student of UG, PG and PhD for the next tech energy industry, and we train them from experimental perspective and make them industry ready with all the research infrastructure and setups we have.
We are working here for next generation sustainable combustion, safety of the fire in different aspects. Mainly our research group focuses on the microgravity environment like spacecraft safety for the exploration of space and other extraterrestrial zone.
Our teaching and research focuses on computational fluid dynamics and turbulent flows. We also train our students on environmental flows like solar convection, atmospheric boundary layer, and fluid structure interaction.
My research interest lies in development and design of microfluidic devices for various applications such as in advanced healthcare technology as well as in thermal cooling of electronic devices.
A group of faculty work in the robotics and automation, and also we work on the control systems. So we work basically on user robots for application in healthcare and industrial automation, and students can gain hands-on experience by working with the theoretical and practical aspects of the robot. We work with the different robot software also like VBoards and Gazebo, and also we are encouraging the students to work with the robot operating system ROS.
Students work in robotics and transform their ideas that can solve real-world problems. So you can see we have many robotics where they can get trained as well as they can get experience as well as they can build their own robots here.
Here we expose students to fundamentals related to kinematic, dynamic and control of robotic systems, as well as they are exposed to experiential learning through capstone projects in areas including cable-driven robots, digital twins, building machines, etc.
Thank you for joining us. If you are curious, self-motivated and passionate about research and innovation, we invite you to begin your research journey with the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. Learn more from our distinguished faculty, gain hands-on research experience and contribute to solving real-world engineering challenges. Your research journey begins here. We look forward to welcoming you. Thank you.